everyone, this is Captain Gibber Lee in Taipei, Taiwan. Today is our last captain on the exercise number 5. So actually, it's not so much difference. Just reduce speed and arriving the collision point later than all others crossing vessel and save the SO on ship. So on ship course is 2.5 degrees, speed is 20 knots. Currently we can see in the 6 minutes speed vector on ship and the first stop-side crossing vessel number 17 in the have the collision risk exactly about 6 minutes later. And currently on-ship speed is 20 knots. If we reduce speed and gain ourselves 1.5 minutes later to arrive the collision spot, then what speed we need? So this is what we see on this exercise. The captain reduced speed from the beginning to 15.7 knots in first 2 minutes, together with some small course adjustment. So the course is a little bit to the port side 243 degrees. And already we can see from the 6 minute speed vector, we already gain about 1 minute's time in the first 2 minutes reduce engine. And we can see further speed reduce. It's not so effective because on ship only maybe reduced to full ahead. That's 16 knots about. So this is 4 minutes after the exercise begin. Currently on-ship speed is 14.8, still around 15 knots. So that's 2 knots difference in speed reduction in 4 minutes. And the on-ship's 6 minute speed vector look like this light blue speed vector. On-ship about to crossing the collision point with number 17 at about 4 minutes time, and number 17 is crossing the same point at about 2.5 minutes. So it's about 1.5 minutes different. So on-ship speed is 15 knots. Maybe the captain think 1.5 minutes not enough, so captain have further engine reduced, maybe to slow ahead, but that's not so much difference from the full ahead and the slow ahead. So the speed reduction in last minute is 0.8 knots, which make not so much difference for the passing times of 2 vessels. And the captain stick on the course of 243 degrees, which was nice because it's parallel with the overtaking vessel on our starboard quarter. And the port side crossing vessel already on our ship's bow direction. In the 5 minutes time is the last picture. Let's just showing the diagram of the captain have conduct some port side turning and steady on the course of 242 degrees. So the captain's major concern is the port side crossing vessel. Actually, this is no need to worry because we have 3 minutes safety margin. The one need to worry about is the starboard side 17 vessel because the safety margin is only 1.5 minutes. But the port side vessel is big. But if you compare with the vessel speed for the say about the 20 knots vessels with the ship's length of 400 meters, actually this vessel will taking the how many times when he transit collision spot. For a 12 knots vessel, 6 minutes is 12 cables run. So 3 minutes run is 6 cable, and one cable is 180 meters, and so for 360 meters vessel, it takes about 1 minute to transit the collision spot, and for a small vessel, maybe 180 meters, it takes about 30 seconds to transit the safety margin. So that's why the captain don't need to worry about the big vessel, because the big vessel need 1 minute's time to transit collision point, and the small vessel need 30 seconds. But currently, this big vessel from the port side have 3 minutes safety margin, and this small vessel have about 1.5 minutes safety margin. So it seems deduct from the ship's length transit time 1 minute and 30 seconds. The big vessel have 2 minutes safety, and the small vessel from 1.5 minute deduct half minute is only 1 minute. So our major concern should be to avoid the small vessel, like we see on this 6 minute 40 seconds picture. The small vessel is dead ahead on our ship bow. The safety margin is 1.5 minutes, and the big vessel already very far away. Never have to worry about that. Currently, we can see 2 small vessels crossing the traffic lane from the port bow. So this is a big challenge to us. Like what we have said, we can pass in the small vessel with very small margin. So this small vessel should not try to crossing on ship's bow, because in this short distance, actually 3 minutes distance run, on ship is helpless to alter course to port side or starboard side, because this is the vessel's maneuvering characteristic, and we are largely depends on other vessels' movement, because other vessels still have 3 minutes or 2 minutes to maneuvering their vessel, and we just can hope the best for us and prepare for the collision if it have to, because this very close range. Actually, the port side vessels crossing the traffic lane is not a very good position. Usually they were waiting outside the traffic lane before on-ship pass, because we are on her starboard side and in our general direction of the traffic. So captain had to do nothing, only beware of their maneuvering, seeing that they give way to us. That's the captain's, captain's hard time, because on ship is not capable of any maneuvering. Have to wait and see if others respond correctly. So, see you next time. We will move to exercise number 6.